The Hadoop training material that I have created. I would say that the content that I have created span across 24 sessions, more or less, and I have 24 Google Doc files which are located on this folder. Uh, so this document introduces you about the course and how to teach it. The 20 to 25 Google Doc file is available in the folder. They have code in them, which I'm going to show you. And all of these installation happens on virtual drive. You have to install Hadoop on virtual drive. If possible, it's better to have a dual boot or an Ubuntu machine completely to save resources. So this is the place where you can find the virtual the steps of the installation. And step 1 is Hadoop installation, which is followed by other steps. So step 1 is Hadoop installation. It is by Rikma. I'll show you some of the other videos that I have created on the same one. Sometimes one of the files are corrupt. If they are corrupt, you have a copy of them. So the step 1 is being copied again here. So if you feel that any file is corrupt, you can repair that. Okay, I'm moving back to the document. The Slack channel is Hadoop Big Data slacknyc.com. A lot of interaction and channels exist there. I have a Udemy course, so I'm going to show you the Slack channel and the Udemy course. So this is my Udemy course, and I'm going to show you the Slack channel. Okay, in this Udemy course, to change the content, I have talked about all the syllabus that I want to teach, and I have one session for each one of them. I think this is the user account, hence it's hard to find out, but this is what I have. I have not covered all the things, but I've tried to cover a lot of things, and it's only a 2-hour course. So this is the Udemy course, and I'm going to also show you the Hadoop Slack. So this is the Hadoop Slack channel. So in all, for your help, you have the step-by-step doc files. You have a small Udemy course. It's only like 1.5 hours. Goes very quickly through all these 24 documents. And then you have the Slack channel to see what I have been pasting and talking about. Going ahead, for Cloudera, I'm running it on VirtualBox. So, but it requires like 16 GB computer because it requires 12 GB RAM. The online implementation I'm mostly doing on DigitalOcean. On AWS and Azure, I don't have nodes, but I have nodes to install 3 nodes manually and commissioning, decommissioning, and debugging for errors. So that's in one of those steps. For PySpark practice, I wanted to create things on Databricks, but I'll put the link of how to go to Databricks. So this is the place where I do PySpark practice. It's the community edition. The cluster remains there for some time. Now for the interview question, I don't have much leads into this. You have to talk with Khan about that. Or I'll get you them. The 2 reference book for this course is Hadoop Definitive Guide. This book is more about Java based MapReduce, but it has got nice theory, and this book is nice for admin related stuff, but it uses the other Ubuntu. It does not use Ubuntu. It uses the Red Hat distribution. So you just CentOS. And how do you find out? You see all the time yum commands. So those are the 2 reference book. If you have any question related to this, let me know. I'm sharing you this document. Once you open this step by step, this Hadoop Udemy course, a Slack channel to see my conversation. Most of the times I've used Tutors Point, so you will see that I'm continuously using Tutors Point during my tutorial, and I'm using Databricks for uploading data like Avro and Parquet file and then pulling them in. So I'll show you some of my notes here on Databricks, how I'm pulling there and running the PySpark code. So those are something that it cleaned my stuff because it cleans everything. But this is the thing about the course. If you have any question, you can reach me on my phone or through my email. The two books that I would suggest anybody who is new to this to start with would be, before coming to the session, is Hadoop Definitive Guide and Hadoop Administration Cookbook. You can find this book easily. In Databricks, you can run PySpark code and upload things on the cluster. And for DigitalOcean, I have the notes. For AWS, I did not went deeper into doing EMR, but that should not be a problem. So in summary, this is about the course. If you have any question, you can get back to me. And thank you for watching this video.